Hi, I'm Doris from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Machinery. Today I will introduce our vacuum emulsifier. The capacity of this vacuum emulsifier is 30 liters and it is the internal and external circulation homogenizing type. And first of all, let me introduce our lead accelerators of this tank for you. This one is lightning to provide the light for better observation, and this one is the air breather to balance the air between the main port and the outer environment. And this one is the spice bucket if you want to add some small fragrance, some spice, you can open this and add some fragrance into this main port. And this one is the side glass. It is for the observation. And this one is the material inlet. You can connect with your pipe here to transfer your warm material to this main port. And this one is the CIP clean device. And this one is the CIP spray ball to clean the pore inside. And this one is the vacuum pressure gauge. It can set and display the vacuum pressures. And this is our conical mixer. The speed of this mixer is 33 RPM, and this scraper, it is made of the Teflon. It is non-sticky. And let's see inside. At the bottom is our homogenizer. This one is the internal and external homogenizer. And the speed of the homogenizer is 3000 RPM. And this is the internal and external circulation pipe. The warm material will be sucked by the homogenizer into this pipe, and then more and more material will be accumulated on this pipe, and they squeeze each other, and then the material will return to the main port for the next round mixing and emulsifying. So no matter the warm material is on the top, on the middle, or on the bottom, all the warm material can be involved to the emulsifying. So the finished product will be very stable, very fine, and very perfect. And this is our cooling port, because when the homogenizing is working, the temperature here is very high. So we have this cooling port. The cooling water will enter the homogenizer and bring the heat out, and then it will return to the cooling port again to cool down the temperature. So it is for protecting the homogenizer. And this is the motor of the homogenizer. And this one is the heating device. And this one is the water inlet. This one is for heating the water in the jacket layer. And this one you can connect with your tap water to let the tap water enter the. At the same time, we also have a oil phase port. You can see this is the mixer, dispersing mixer of the oil phase port. The speed is 960 RPM. We also have a baffle to avoid the wave. It is for preheating and premixing the oil phase warm material. Let me introduce the component of our control box. As you can see, we use the Schneider from France, the electric component, Schneider. All this one all from Schneider. And the frequency converter, we use the ABB from Switzerland, is the top brand. And also this part we use the Siemens. So all the component of our control boards, it is from the national brand. It is the high configuration and the high quality. Our vacuum emulsifier uses the PLC control system. It is from Germany, Siemens. And this is the touch surface of the control system. We have two language versions. One is Chinese and another one is English. So this is the main surface of this control system. It can display the speed, time of the mixer. Also, it can display the speed and time of the homogenizer. Before production, we need to set the speed, time, like the mixer 60 RPM, and the time is 30 seconds, and homogenizer. Usually it is 3000 RPM, but it depends on your formulation, and the time we can set 60. And also we can set the maple heating, like the temperature. We want it 95. And the oil pour heating is 70 degrees. And the maple cooling, you can set like 5 degrees. Now, after resetting the parameter of these productions, we need to go back to the maple. And like we want the homogenizer to work, we need to press this one. Also, the surface will show the speed of the homogenizer and the working time of the homogenizer. The time is changing because we have set 50 seconds or 60 seconds. Also, we need to lift down this mixer to show you. And then we need to turn on the mixer. I show you the working situation inside. And then you can see the speed and the working time of this mixer, just like what I just said just now. For we using the vacuum function, we need to turn off the every valve here, like this. Make sure every valve is closed, but we need to make this one is on, because this one is for the vacuum, suck the air out. And also, every valve, we need to make sure it is closed. So after that, we can start the vacuum. Normally, when the number is reached 60 to 80, normally 70 to 80, we can turn off the vacuum. When we turn off the vacuum, we need to close this valve. And at the same time, the number will have a little bit draw down, but it is normal. When you draw down to a specific number, it will stay stable. So this is our 30-liter lifting vacuum emulsifier. If you want to buy our machine, please contact us. SIPUXIN Machinery, 24 years, sincerely service. Bye bye.